viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dangerous Events. Today I am going to inform you about the dangerous flood burst in the China in the Hebei. According to the national meteorologists, at least 17 people were killed and 4 are missing after the flooding hits the central Chinese province of the Henan, and the landslides buried parts of the several villages in the southern Guangxi region. Storms have pummeled the Hunan since the beginning of the month, with some monitoring stations reporting the historical level of the rainfalls. So the 1.5 million people have been also located to the other places. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel.